neon friend. Yes, Nemo loves neon colors. So do we. And Nemo has no nose. Nemo doesn't have any nose. Oh, Nemo has no neck. No neck. Nemo doesn't even have any nails. No nails. Nemo loves neon colors. And Nemo likes to eat nuts. Yes. Do you like to eat nuts? No nuts. Nemo is very naughty. Very, very naughty. And Nemo likes to take a nap in the afternoon. And you know what? Nemo loves to play with numbers. And he knows all the numbers. Yes. Can you write the numbers? Yes. Nemo keeps his notebook neat and clean. Yes. Nemo doesn't make any noise. Yes. And do you love Nemo? If you love Nemo, just nod your head. Nod your head. Yes, we love Nemo.